can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Good morning, you guys. It is currently Sunday morning, 8 a.m. I just woke up because I have to get ready for church soon. But guess what I got? I'm going to show you guys. Ignore my nails. I got to take them off. Like now, actually. The polish. But look at this. I'm going to do an unboxing and a review, obviously. Well, it's not an unboxing. It's purchased from the store, so it's not really much of an unboxing. But I woke up to a gift, and I love it. I asked for these a few days ago when I lost my AirPod, and then I thought I lost the case, and I was like, can I please have Beats? Because this is ridiculous, for real. He said, be careful. My father, by the way. He said, be careful because this part snaps, a lot of people say. They're cheaper than AirPods. But like AirPods, I'm like, the older I get, the more I'm like losing stuff, and I'm just not feeling it. But these are wireless. It's a cloud. This is cloud pink, right? I think so. They're not purple. It's like a cloud pink. But it comes with the little cord. And now I'm glad it comes with this because when I get my microphone, I can use these when I want to like plug up to my microphone set, so I don't have to buy like a cheap one. Left ear, right here. That's why it snaps, because if somebody's head is too big, it'll do that. Only thing is, I would say, ooh. I can't even hear y'all right now. I mean, I can't even hear myself right now. And the music ain't even on. Only thing I would say is that, like, at night and stuff, when I'm walking back to my apartment, like from class or wherever, I just don't want to look like I can't hear, because that's not safe. That's one thing I was thinking about a lot. But I'm like, when I'm like on my way to work or like working out, I'll definitely wear these. Like at night, maybe I'll make you know that one ear is out, you know. If these break, do I get warranty? Like, my hair not big, but like still. I have every gadget but a television because I don't want a TV. I'm gonna get a projector. I've been saying that. I don't know why I have not thought of that. I'm gonna get a projector with them, and I'm like, those are cute. The JBL ones are cute too, but I was like, these are so sleek. Let's test it out. Let's test it out, because when I be working out, people be bothering me every 5 seconds. I just want to tune you. I just want y'all to know I have ear. I just want y'all to know I can't hear Okay. I feel like I'm in the music video. They're very, very loud. For sure, I feel like I'm in the studio with her. And yeah. Don't talk to me when you see me with these on, because I can't hear nothing. For real. And don't poke me just because I can't hear you. Definitely will be using these to tune out these motherfreakers. Especially when I work out. But I hope you guys like today's unboxing video. Sorry for looking crusty and dusty. I did wash my face and put mouthwash in. I ain't brushed my teeth yet, but I did put some mouthwash in. So we're going to get there. I'm about to get ready. I'm about to eat something really quick and get ready to go to church. Hey y'all, I'm currently decluttering and cleaning, but my package just came. I don't like how they do my stuff outside like that. I ain't gonna $2 here, but like, this is $30 for this little thing. I think the big one is $60, so that makes sense. But this is what I used to drink all the time. I used to get the strawberry flavor to make it taste sweeter, but because I'm putting fruit in it and because I just don't want it so sweet, I got vanilla. And I got my blender. I did have my smoothie this morning. I just want to let y'all know, being a pescatarian really is not hard. Being healthy is really not hard. Like, you just have to... So I got like 4 scarves on. I got 2 on. But you just have to want to be healthy for real. Because people be like, oh, it's so hard. Eating healthy is so hard. It's really not. Take it from somebody who really don't like vegetables other than broccoli. I'm eating spinach, raw spinach, not cooked. I can't eat cooked spinach. But just find a recipe you like and make it. I've been eating spinach since I first started it. Recently, I gotta wash my face because my face is so dry. But it's really not hard, y'all, to be healthy. Like, the best compliment I got recently was, you look healthy. Like, you look like you good. And when people be seeing me eating my little berries and being all healthy, they just be like, you go, girl. Because there's not many people that care about their health at my age, for real. And I'm not saying this is not nobody. I'm just saying, like, they definitely, you know, don't go unnoticed. It tastes good. I haven't had a tuna salad yet. So, not tuna salad, but tuna salad. So, let's see. I'm going to taste it with y'all. Because usually I do chicken breast. But because I'm not eating the meat. I used to eat tuna sandwiches or tuna wraps. But I don't think it would be any different in a salad. Still got the bread. Still got the egg. The only difference is the cranberry with the tuna. But it's just like if it were chicken. Up, I need that crunch. But between the ranch dressing and the cranberry and everything, you'll get like all the sweet and salty. It's good. I'm gonna pack this for lunch tomorrow, depending on how my stomach feels, because my body got used to spinach. But when I first was making these spinach salads, oh my god, my stomach was turned. Now I add an egg to it. And tuna. But this is good. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. This is Zoe. Say goodnight. And this is Lola. Say goodnight. And we'll be back, my kids. Ooh, don't step on your sister like that, for real. We'll be back with more videos. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and try to start something new, like a new diet or a bad habit. Cut that out. Try something new for the new year. Like, I know y'all didn't start your New Year resolutions yet. Start your New Year's resolution. Hop in that gym. Stop cursing. I still gotta work on that. I gotta put my whole check in my savings the way I've been talking. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.
Do you think my brain is made for